What is he saying?
Read the message. No, they came on in the group.
Okay.
Are we creating the account on phone or account?
Wait.
Wait.
What does that even mean? Hmm?
The index is not 300, it's not very good. I don't think I will remove that one.
Oh my. I've not even clicked go live.
Just type in next 4 or 500.
Oh my god! Connect. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining us yet to another amazing Monday. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for joining us. Are you guys great? How are you guys doing? How is it going? How was your weekend? How is everybody doing? Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome. Thank you so much for the follow. You guys are just amazing. I'm happy to see you here. It's yet another amazing morning. We had a very great weekend. I believe all of you did. And I know this is just the beginning of a peaceful week. It is the beginning of a peaceful week, ladies and gentlemen. And of course, let's do this the right way. Let's do this the right way, guys. Let's do this the right way. Let's do this the right way. Let's get started the right way. Crazy Effects, good to have you here. Thank you so much for coming on board. And, how do you get? Yeah. No, no, it's on, yeah, it's okay. Now bring it in. Uh, no, oh my, that's it. Look at the microphone. Oh, guys, am I loud? Yeah, I'm loud. Is the voice good? Is the sound good? Can you hear the music? Okay, I think it's music. It's good, yeah? Yeah, they also think it's very good. I told you. I told you, I'll see you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Welcome yet to another amazing, amazing week. And of course, with this week, ladies and gentlemen, we are set for an amazing, amazing session. Thank you so much for coming on board. Welcome on board. President, good to have you here. Brayton Trainer, good to have you here. Lisa, good to have you here. Thank you so much for coming on board. Mubarak, good to have you here. Infridge, how you doing? Yordanov Finance, wow, good to have you here. PR, how are you doing? John Ray, my gosh. Yo, I can't read some of these names, man. John Rain, good to have you here. Thank you so much for coming on board. And of course, we have Dean, D underscore EM. Tina, good to have you here. Constance Massey, good to have you here. Thank you so much for coming. Mato, how you doing? Good to have you here. Carol, good to have you here. Thank you so much for coming, guys. I might not be able to mention all your names, but just know I appreciate you so much for coming and for being here. Her Highness, very good to have you here. Malik, Barry, how you doing? Listo, inakuwaje, mzima, mambo shwari. Jerry, good to have you here. Thank you so much for coming. Yende. Somebody saying yende. It's supposed to be yes. And I'm going to pretend I understand you saying yes. Engineer. Okay, engineer. Obi, thank you so much for coming. JJ, Davida, good morning. Jerry Modani, Lana Tria is perfect, fine. David, good morning, Lana Tria. Shut up. Susan, good to have you here. Welcome on board. Thank you so much for coming. Cutie Kate. How you doing? Guys, okay, so let's get started, guys. Let's get started. Of course, we are going to start with our all-time favorite. This is none other than the one and only AUUFB. All right. So we're starting with gold, guys. And of course, when it comes to gold, as you already know, um, last week gold was selling massively. And right now, we are looking to see if we're going to get some massive, massive buys. And it all started, oh my God, you can't see anything. Good morning. Let's see. I love your energy. Wow. Thank you. Thank you. Man. I love my energy too. My energy keeps me going. Drum roll. Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so let's get started, guys. So last week, gold was selling massively from the 17th. Actually, it was from the 15th of June. Gold has been on a massive, massive downtrend, and we have been looking at this market going all the way down. It trickled all the way down, And now we are looking to see if you're going to get some kind of a retest back to the highs. But as you can see, I've done some little bit of levels that I'm looking to see if the market is going to tap into. And from these levels, we have caught some massive buys from 3 a.m. The market has been buying, and we are looking to see if it's going to keep up with the same level, same energy. 10 a.m., ladies and gentlemen, as you already know, London Open has just happened, but the market has zero volume. This is specifically meant for gold. We have zero volume on gold, guys. It's like it is sitting right now. It is doing nothing. Like it has been very low on volume since what time? Since after this massive move to the upside. After this move here, the market decided to just dilly dally, and right now it is doing nothing. So what we're going to do is we're going to wait and see if we're going to get some massive movement to the upside. What I want to see right now, I want to see a cross above this so that now we get a break of structure. Once we get a break of structure, then that should tell you that it is willing to continue going to the upside. And these areas are actually areas that I have personally decided to see if the market is going to tap into. These are areas of high volume, high liquidity, and we're expecting to see if the market is going to take out this zone. As you can see, the dashboard is super yummy. It is super yummy. It is super yummy because it's giving us some very nice signals for buy entries, and we got this signal from here, from back here, guys. Did a massive push to the upside. We had a change of character here. Then we had a retracement to the 50% of that massive move, and now we're looking to push up. And just a reminder for those who are in for the challenge, yes, we are starting today. The challenge is starting today, guys, and we are still setting up our system. We're still setting up our account. I have quite a number of people who are very much interested but have not been able to set up their accounts. That is exactly what we are doing right now. Somebody say, please zoom your screen. We can't see anything. Yeah, I'm going to zoom my screen. And when I zoom my screen like this is what you're going to see. You will see a very small portion of it. That basically means you won't have the whole view. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be, in and out, in and out, in and out. And again, don't forget, guys, we have been doing this for some time now. If I get an entry for a buy, an entry for a sell, I will give you the values on it. So don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. The screen is not clear. I hope now that is clear. So we are looking to take an entry. We are already in an entry. We are already in an entry for a buy, and this entry was given out here. This was round one, and then we did a close above this high. Retracement came back, and then now in again for another entry. So for me, what I'm going to do is I'm going to let you guys know two things will happen here. Either we're going to go in for a buy aggressively, or we're going to wait for the market to give us a break of structure. My personal opinion or my personal preference is for this market to give us a break of structure first, and then now we're going to be looking for an entry after that retest. So gold right now is doing what we call playing around. It is playing around. It has not given us any confirmation for anything, but we have a very nice entry. We've got an entry for a buy that gave us sticky 1, 2, and 3 on the 15-minute time frame. And I am sure that once this gives us another break of structure, then we're going to be looking for another entry. Good morning, good people, all the way from Kampala, Uganda. Banange, how you doing, Banange? You good, Banange? The screen is not clear, guys. This screen, when you're setting up live on TikTok, it doesn't look the same as that person who is on uh, YouTube. YouTube right now is very clear. I can tell you for a fact. YouTube right now is very clear. But guess what? We don't have much people on YouTube right now. We don't have people on YouTube. Or maybe we should just stop um, coming on live on TikTok, and you guys check it out on YouTube. You should see what is happening on YouTube right now. YouTube is looking so 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 yummy, and it's the whole screen. 299 is for how long? What do you mean? It's for how long? What is that for? Is that for the scanner? If it's for the scanner, yes, it's lifetime. 299 lifetime. Let's look at Euro USD as we're waiting for gold, ladies and gentlemen. So this is Euro USD. Euro USD gave us an entry gave us a signal here for a sell. We had a signal for a sell on Euro USD, and that signal has done TP1 only, and it has done a retracement back to this zone, which is what we call the cloud, and there's a high possibility this market is going to drop from here to the downside. So what are we going to do right now? I'm going to write it down, and we are looking to look for a sell, a possible sell on Euro USD. Yes, Euro USD, we're looking to go down on a sell. Let me do some confirmation here, guys. Yeah, Euro USD. This is 4-hour time frame. This is 4-hour time frame. What I'm showing you right now is 4-hour time frame. And as you can see, this market did a massive drop. We had a very nice break of structure here, and then after that we had a retest back to this zone, and this market is looking to sell. So on the 15-minute time frame, we have a sell, and then there was a push to the upside. I push the upside. Don't worry, I'm setting it up for you guys. I'm setting it up so you guys can see properly. So we are in a sell on Euro USD. We are taking a sell on Euro USD. Remember, you are only risking what you're willing to lose, because trading is very, very risky. Stop loss is at 1.1473. Stop loss is at 1.1473. That's your stop loss, and this is Euro USD. Your TP1 is at 1.145. 1.145. TP1 is at 1.145. So Euro USD, we're going in for a sell. L is at 1.1473, and then TP1 is at 1. This market is massively dropping already. Massive profits right now, guys. 1.1450. TP2. TP2 is 1.1443. And then TP3. If you're going to be like me, you're going to leave a runner. TP3 for me is going to be the very last zone, which is 1.14. 1.14185. So we have 3 TPs I've given out. Liam has come to the screen for viewers. Liam has come to the screen as viewers. Okay, so guys, we have that. That one is set. Euro USD is in massive profits right now. Let's go. So we're looking to hit TP1 at 1.1450, TP2 1.1443. Okay, so let's go. And then step index. Let's look at step index. Guys, we are also waiting for gold. Step index 200, 300, and 500. Step index. This is step index 200. What is it here? Is it? So this is step index 300 or 200, sorry. Step index 200, I had taken this entry earlier because the signal came in a bit earlier. So we are in for a buy on this one, but it's doing a small retest. So remember, the stop loss is at 10, 200, 205. 10, 205 is the stop loss. We are in, we are just waiting for confirmation. It did massive push up, gave us a break of structure. So this one should tap onto this wave and push up. Remember, we're on the 15-minute time frame. We are looking to tap on this and then we push up. So this is what I'm looking to see here, guys. I tap on this one and then we go all the way up. Okay. So 2 things: either you go in aggressively or you wait for confirmation on the lower time frame. Once the market turns around and starts looking up, then we can go in for a buy. But For me, I'm already in for a buy. I took it a bit earlier. It was here around 9:30 before even we went live. So I'm on drawdown right now, but I'm looking to see if this market is going to take us to the next one. Okay, this is now 15-minute time frame on US 300. US 300, no, step 300, sorry, step 300 has printed an entry for a buy, and you can see we have that massive retracement to this zone. Before we do anything, I want to caution you that this asset on the daily time frame is on overbought condition. On overbought condition on the daily time frame, as you can see here, it's above the 70. So this is it has given us an entry for a buy, yes, but remember it is a bit tricky because it has already overbought on the daily time frame. When you find that the market has overbought on the daily time frame, that is telling you to get ready to exit the buys and look for sell, because as you can see, this dashboard is all green, so we should be looking for sells more than buys. So what I'm going to do with this one, I'm going to tell you this. As my coach told me, when you see the dashboard is all green, wait for the market to start selling on the 1 minute time frame, 5 minutes time frame, then take your entry on the 15 minutes time frame. So what are we going to do about step index 300? We are going to be patient and wait for it. Okay, so we're going to wait for step index 300. We have taken Euro USD and step index 200. Step index 200, I personally took it a bit earlier. So I'm just waiting to see how it's going to play out. It's on drawdown right now. So step index 300, guys, it has printed a buy for us on the 15 minutes time frame. But I want you to understand one thing. We are on overbought on the daily. And as you can see, the whole of this dashboard was green. So what do? We wait for the market to give us something else to work with. Guys, please tap on the screen. We are 73 of us and we only have 2K likes. 2K! 2. Guys, just tap the screen for me. Let's tap on the screen. Let's tap on the screen. Okay, somebody is requesting for GJ. Let's look at GJ. GJ, ladies and gentlemen, is looking to push the upside. We are forming higher highs and higher lows, and we have buy on the 15 minutes time frame. But I don't like one thing. There's one thing I don't like. It's good, it's very good, but there's one thing I don't like. I don't like the fact that this is consolidating. It's more of consolidating here. For me, I don't like this kind of consolidation. This is GJ, guys. We have a consolidation that is happening right now. And this consolidation doesn't look very good for me. I want to see a clear direction. Look at what is happening. So we don't have a clear direction. I don't. Okay, we do have a clear direction, but it's more of very slow, very slow. I will pause on this one on GJ. For me, I will pause on it. I don't want to look at it right now. I think I'm going to look at it when it has decided to finally do a clean. You see, this one is very tricky. This one is very tricky, and there's this massive gap here. There's this massive gap here. See? So I'm not very confident with this one. As much as we have, and then we have the weight on the 1 minute time frame, we have the weight on the 5 minute time frame. This is so mixed up. Let's just put a pause on this one. GBP USD. Okay, let's go. Before that, volatility 151S. 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 Volatility 151S is selling. It has been selling. It has been selling, but right now it's looking to start turning around for buys. You see, it has started buying on the 1 minute time frame here. So what we're waiting for, we're waiting for the 15 minute time frame to also confirm for buys, and then we look for entry. Let's see what is happening on the 4-hour time frame. This one is on the 4-hour time frame is on downtrend, but it has formed what you call a head and shoulders pattern, inverse head and shoulders pattern. This is what we're seeing right now. And if it crosses above and pushes up, then that will be best for us. Again, if you look at the left, it is sitting at the demand zone right now, sitting at a demand zone. If you look left, I see it has given us some kind of a double bottom. So this should tell you that there's a high possibility you might be seeing some buys coming in on the 15-minute time frame. So what I want to see, we're going to keep an eye on this one. We're going to keep an eye on it. This is volatility 10 15 index. 151S. We're keeping an eye on this one so that we see if it is going to mature while we are still on the live. If it matures while we're still on the live, then we're going to be looking for an entry because it has done some very nice sells, but now it's looking to start buying. We are on 37 on the daily time frame. That should tell you that that market sold massively. So let's wait for it. Let's wait and see if it's going to give us an entry for a buy. Then GBP USD, GU. Somebody is requesting for GU. Let's look at GU. GU is behaving the same way as Euro USD. GU is behaving the same as Euro USD. This was when? I think this was 19th of June. This was way back. This was way back. So let's see. This is behaving the same as Euro USD. Guys, what's happening on Euro USD? Oh, okay. Euro USD is almost hitting TP1. Euro USD is almost hitting TP1, guys. TP1 has been hit on Euro USD. Let's go. TP1 has been hit on Euro USD. Euro USD TP1 is done, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations. God bless you. Let's go. TP1 is hit on Euro USD. Let's go. This thing is crazy. We should change this one here. We should no. Remove it, remove it. TP2, somebody is asking for TP2 on Euro USD. TP2 is 1.1443. That is TP2, 1.1443. Teach me how to do this. Send me a message on my WhatsApp. Send me a message on my WhatsApp. Guys, follow me. If you haven't followed me, follow me. I'm telling you, this is what we do every day. And every day is amazing. So, GBP USD is also doing the same thing. I wish we just took an entry on GBP USD too. Guys, somebody remind me tomorrow when we get a setup on Euro USD, when we get a setup on Euro USD, don't even think twice. Set the same setup on GBP USD. If we get a sell on Euro USD, go ahead and set a sell on GBP USD too. Don't even think twice. Just go set it up and let's go. Right? So Makosha. GJ, is GJ ready? We said we are not doing anything on GJ. We said we are just going to watch it. We are not doing anything on GJ. Gold, we said we want to see a break of structure. We want to see a break of structure for us to continue with that buy. AUD card. Let me see. There was another one up here. AUD card. Okay, sorry. Let me check that one for you right now. AUD card. So ladies and gentlemen, congratulations. TP1 has AUD card is ready. AUD card is ready for a sell, ladies and gentlemen. AUD card is ready for a sell, ladies and gentlemen. AUD card is ready for a sell, ladies and gentlemen. AUD card is ready for a sell, ladies and gentlemen. AUD card is ready for a sell, ladies and gentlemen. The only thing I want to see is a close below this line with a body. That's the only thing I want to see. A close below this line with a body. Clean track keyboard. Makosha. Two things, guys. Either you go in, we are on the 15 minutes time frame right now. Go in aggressively. Either you go in aggressively here, go in aggressively with the same stop loss. Stop loss is at 0.9940. That's your stop loss. Stop loss is at just a minute. We are going in aggressively with our stop loss at 0.994. TP1 TP1 is as soon as we hit this stop TP1, ladies and gentlemen. TP1 is 0.99200. TP1 0.99200. TP2 0.9913. TP2 0.9913, and then TP3 0.908. 0.9908. TP1 0.99200. TP2 0.9913. This is AUD card. Okay, so you're going, either you go in aggressively or you wait for the market to do a small retest to somewhere between the entry and the first TP. You can actually set that one as pending order, but for those who are in aggressively, we are looking to hit TP1 at 0.99200, TP2 0.9913. That is TP2. And then TP3 0.9908. AUD card for a sell. Come on, let's go. You are only risking what you're willing to lose because trading is very risky. Don't forget that, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go. Stop loss 0.99406. Euro USD is heading towards TP2. Dhahabu mzee, dhahabu. Dhahabu mzee, dhahabu. Dhahabu tunaisubiri mzee, tunaisubiri. Yani TP3 on what? USD JPY. Guys, I was checking on wait, guys. TP3 has confused us. We were looking at step index 500 too. Before I forget. Guys, look at this. Look at this, guys. This is a signal I sent to the group on 21st. No, on 21st. Yes. Today is what? Did I send this to the group? Today is 22nd. This was yesterday. No, I didn't send it to the group. I took it myself. So now, this is a trade I took yesterday on Sunday, and this is what happened. So on step index 500, I want to remove all this because now this is done. On step index 500, this market has sold massively, and we're looking to see if we're going to get an entry for a buy. We have already started buying on the 1 minute time frame. We're waiting for 5 minutes, and then 15 minutes time frame, we get a confirmation, we go in for buys. USD JPY. So step index, we are also waiting for it. Let me write it down. Step 500, we are waiting for it, guys. And then USD JPY. Oh my God, what's going on? Huh? Wait. USD JPY. USD JPY has done some massive buys. USD JPY has done some massive buys, and where it is right now is at an area of interest. You see we are on that high. This could literally just give us a double top and start to, we have to be patient with it, wait for it until it gives us something to work with. Either it crosses above, gives us a break of structure, or gives us a double bottom, does the retracement. That is what we're waiting to see. Okay. So whatever we see, we are going to react after that. On the daily time frame, it's over the 70, so that means it has overbought. So what we can do is wait for the market to give us a sell opportunity, and then we take an entry. This is daily time frame, guys. Look at the daily on USD JPY. It has done massive buys, and that basically means there's a high possibility we could be seeing some retracement on it. So I'm going to write it down, UJ. I'm going to write it down, and then we wait for it to confirm for us sells. You see, the dashboard is all green. It has overbought. So let's just wait for it, guys. Let's just wait for it. It has overbought, and it's at a very crucial zone. Okay, USDJPY. Step 400 and 500, we've talked about that. AUD card. TP3 for AUD card. What's going on? TP3 for AUD card is 0.9908. 0.9908. AUD card, decide what you want to do. We want to see you move, my friend. We want to see you move. Stop playing around. Decide what you want to do. We want to see you move. Baraka Tele. Okay, that is now it. Gold is still undecided. Gold is still undecided, guys. Look at this. Gold is still undecided. You see, we have a mix here on the dashboard. For me, if I have a mix on the dashboard, no. Step index 400 and step index 500. After this big bang institutional feel, okay, this is step index 400. This is step index 400, ladies and gentlemen. Step index 400. Step index 400 is massively bullish on the 4-hour time frame. It has actually given us an entry on the 4-hour time frame, and it has done TP1 only. So this is very fresh on the 4-hour time frame, and it is a long trend. If you're going to take it on the 4-hour time frame, just know that you are taking it as a swing trend, not as a market, not as a short trend. If you are taking it, then make sure that you are taking it as a swing trend and not as a short trend. So for me, this is what I'm going to do. This is what I'm going to tell you to do. You can set up your pending order. Excuse me. Set up a pending order for a buy limit at 96. At 9060. Set up your pending order at 9060. This is on the 4-hour time frame. Set up your pending order at 9060. 9060. This is step index 400 with your stop loss at 8867. 8867 is your stop loss. And then now this is a swing. This is a long trend, guys. This is a swing. This is going to be a long trend. Your TP1 is going to be at 9220. That is going to be your TP1. 9220. TP2 is going to be 9337. TP1 9220, and then TP2 9337, and then TP4 is going to be 9634. That's a swing. Okay, that's a swing. Thank you so much for the roses, guys. Let's stop on the screen. Let's stop on the screen. Let's stop on the screen. If you're new here, make sure you follow me. Make sure you follow me. Make sure you follow me if you're new here. Guys, your entry is at 9060. That is your entry. I'm coming for you right now after this. This is step index 400. Step index 400. Step index 400 is a buy limit. Buy limit and the entry is at 9060. SL is at 8867. TP1 is 92. Is it 9220? Okay. TP2 is 9337. And then last TP, which is TP3, is at the highest, which is 9634. 9634. Remember, this is going to be a long thread. It will take some time to play out. Just be patient with it. Step index 200. Let's take a look at step index 200. Okay, step index 200 is back at entry, is back at entry, is back at entry. Please wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. We said we are waiting for it. I told you I had taken it earlier, but I told you to wait for it because for me I'm in drawdown. So please let's just be patient with it. Let's wait. Just wait for it. Wait, wait for it. Wait. This is step index 200. Wait for it. I'll tell you when to go in. TP2 coming in on Euro USD, getting close. TP2 is coming in on Euro USD, getting close. Gold is decided to just play around. It's just playing peekaboo. It's playing peekaboo. Peekaboo. Any other asset you want me to look at? USD JPY. Did you check on USD JPY? Oh, I told you to wait. Okay, we are waiting for this one to give us an entry for sales. We said it has overbought on the daily time frame, so we are just waiting for it. Which other one? Volatility 151S. What? They can see you. Volatility 151S. Kate, coming up, coming up, coming up. This dashboard is all red. Please let's wait for it to give us an entry for a buy. Right now we have sold massively. So BTC USD. Bye, bye, bye. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a CRT. See this? This is the CRT of the 15-minute time frame. So this market is expected to drop slightly, and then we can literally look for an entry after it has filled in the whole of this fair value gap. We can look for an entry because this signal that was sent went all the way up and then did a retracement, exactly as it is happening on gold. So let's wait for it to play out on this CRT, and then once we are done with it, it turns around, we are going to go in for a buy. This is BTC USD. So let's wait for it. Let's wait for it to play out this CRT. Unless you are ready to go into a drawdown, I would suggest wait. If it breaks below this zone, then we are going to be looking for sales instead. GBP USD. Have you checked step index 300? Yes. Step index 300 I just did. And we say it is in overbought condition. The whole of this zone is green. So we should wait for it to give us an entry for sales. You see it has bought massively. So let's wait for confirmation to start selling instead of rushing these buys. This is now like if you get into buys on this one, it's the same as trying not to what is it called? FOMO. It's called FOMO. The fear of missing out. US 30 US 30 is on buys. US 30 is on buys, guys. US 30 is on buys. 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 TP1 on US 30 is 51752. 51752. That's your TP1. 51752 is your TP1. Stop loss 51532. Stop loss is 51532. That's your starting. Stop loss is 51532. That's stop loss. TP1 51752. TP2 51884. 51884. That is US 30. We are on a buy. US 30 is on a buy. US 30 is on a buy, guys. You should be expecting some kind of a retest. Take profit one, 5175, 5175, that's take profit one. And then stop loss 51532. Take profit two is at 5184, 884. Euro USD TP2 is playing out. God bless you, Euro USD. Volatility 51S. GBP USD is playing the same way as Euro USD, guys. And we missed out the entry. That's why I told you earlier. With this one, it's always good if we get an entry on Euro USD or GBP USD, we take the same entry on either. Like if we are analyzing Euro USD and we get an entry, we just take the same entry on GBP USD because they play the same way most of the time. But we have already taken the entry on Euro USD, so that basically means Euro USD is heading towards TP2. TP1 is already done. Which one were we on? US 30. US 30. US 30 is expected to do some kind of a retracement. Okay. This is US 30, volatility US 30, 50, volatility 51S. Let's look at 51S real quick. Volatility 1S gave us an entry for a sell, for a buy, sorry, gave us an entry for a buy. We did TP1 and 2 on the 15 minutes time frame, And now we are looking to do a massive retracement. I like this though. I like this. 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 Let's see if it's going to respect that. Let's see if it's going to respect that, guys. Let's see if it's going to respect that. The only disadvantage that we have is that it created a double top here. It didn't give us a break of structure, so that could be tricky. But let's see if it is going to respect that. If it turns around and goes above this wave, we are going to go in for buys. We're going to go in for buys. That is volatility 51S. 101S, volatility 101S. Volatility 101S is in massive sells. It has oversold on the daily time frame, so let's wait for it to give us an entry for buys. Volatility 101S, this one has sold massively, so let's wait for it to give us entry for buys. You can see it has sold massively. It is below, it is actually below 30 on the daily time frame, and that is always very, very risky. Look at how that market has sold massively, guys. Are you seeing that? So let's wait for it to turn around and give us a buy. Then we can look for an entry. This one, we don't have to rush it. Or unless you're a swing trader, you can take that entry for a sell and target the lowest zone, which is here. If you're a swing trader, you can take that entry. Once it does a retracement, once it does a retest, you can take it for a sell down to these zones. But where the market is right now, it will definitely give us an entry for a buy, for a retest. So let's wait for it. Volatility 10 index, that is 75 and 25 index. 75 and 25. 75 and 25. Volatility 25, 75, guys, is massively buying. It still has more room for buys. It has overbought, but it still has more room for buys. Let's look at the 30 minutes time frame. So with this one, you just need to wait for retest and take it in for a buy. Wait for retest, then go in for a buy. Wait for retest, then go in for a buy. Wait for retest, then go in for a buy. Wait for retest, then go in for a buy. So what you need to do is break of structure, retest, and then push up. So it has to give you a break of structure first, a clean break of structure, and once it gives you a retest, you take it in for a buy. So on the 15 minutes time frame, there's that long-legged doji here. When the market comes back, that long-legged doji, you can go in for buys. Step index 200. Did you look at step index 200? Okay, I told you step index 200. You wait for it because for me, I am in, but I'm in a drawdown. So I want you to wait for it. Step index 200. I want you to wait for it. I took this entry earlier. I want you to wait for it. Just wait for it. If you get a bullish engulfing candlestick here on the 15 minutes time frame, bullish engulfing candlestick, just go in for a buy. Gold has decided to drop. Gold has decided to drop. Now let me tell you something. Let me tell you something about gold. So we had this massive move up. We had reached the 50% of the fib. We pushed up, but we did not create a new high. And now we're going down. If we drop below this low, this market could literally just continue selling. So you have to be very careful with it. Right now, gold is telling you to wait. It's not telling you to do anything. It's telling you to wait. Please do exactly that. Gold is telling you to wait. Please do exactly that. Don't rush it. NAS 100. NAS 100 is massive buys also on the 15 minutes time frame. And it has more room for buys. So with this one, we wait for a retest. This one is very good actually. This one is very good. Just wait for it. Wait for it around 30, 30, 41, 5 zone. 30, 41, 5 zone. Wait for it there. Wait for it, just wait for it because it has bought massively. So, it is all green. So wait for it. Don't rush this one, guys. Don't rush it. Okay, step index. Euro USD. Euro USD, we are waiting for TP2. Euro USD, we are waiting for TP2. We went in here. And now we're waiting for TP2. That is Euro USD. We're already in profit with it. 25 volatility 75 25 index. Okay, volatility 25 index, please wait for it. It is on oversold condition. It has sold massively. It has sold massively, so please just wait for it to give us an entry for a buy. This one has to turn around. Somebody saying Euro USD, we are on TP2. It is heading towards TP2. It's not even there, but it's heading there. We have a CRC coming up. Okay, we had some volatility 151S. We were waiting to see how it's going to play out. So let's see if it is ready. Any other asset you want me to look at, guys? We are waiting for it. It's not ready. We are waiting for it. Volatility 1S. We are also waiting for it. It's not ready. Let's just wait. Okay, 51S. Did we look at 51S? Ooh. Okay, I told you to wait for it. 51S. I told you to wait for it. I told you to wait for it. I told you to wait for it. This one is going up. But wait for it. Going up. Let's wait for confirmation. It's just about to do exactly. If you turn around from where I've marked you to turn around from. It's gonna be awesome. 751S, 751S. Let's look at 751S, guys. Oh wow, this is massively selling. Oh my god, this one is it has sold massively and it's still selling. This one is very good. Wait. Two things will happen, guys. This market will do two things. Number one, either it will just drop massively from there without looking back, or it will do a small retest to that zone and then drop. So you can go in aggressively or wait for a small retest, then go in. You can go in aggressively or wait for a small retest and then go in. This is volatility 751S. The reason as why I'm giving you two options is because sometimes the market breaks out like this and it doesn't go back. It just flies to the downside. If that happens and you haven't gone in, it's going to leave you out. But for precision, you can wait for the market to do a retest back to this zone and then go with it. So this is what I'm seeing on volatility 751S. That's what I'm seeing on volatility 751S, guys. Okay, what page is this? This is volatility 751S. This is for the derivative traders. Now, ladies and gentlemen, for those who are in for the challenge, we are setting up our accounts today. We are setting up our accounts. There are some people who have finished setting up their accounts. There are people who are still not yet. So once we are done setting up the account, we are going to start our challenge. Type TP level. TP number 1 is 5325. 5325, that's TP1. 5325 is TP1. TP2 is 5261. 5261. And TP3 5207. Remember, two things will happen. This market will do two things. Number one, either it's going to just continue dropping or it's going to do a retest and then push back. GBP JPY. GBP JPY, I told you I don't like what it was doing here. I did not like this. That's why I told you we just wait for it. We wait for it, guys. We wait for it. Guys, give me 10K. Give me 10K likes. We are 82 of us. Let's just tap on the screen until 100. Until 100. You see, there is always that bar that goes in like this. Just tap until it goes to 100 and then don't tap again. Please, I'm just asking for that only so that we can get to 10K likes. Let's do this. We are 81 of us. We can do this, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Just tap the screen until it gets to 100 and then don't tap again. Solana, good to have you here. Thank you so much for coming on board. 75 ordinary. 75 ordinary. 75 ordinary. 75 ordinary. 75 ordinary. I told you it's going to retest. They is retesting right now. But I don't like the fact that it did not give us a break of structure. As much as it is retesting, it did not give us a break of structure. It did not give us a break of structure. It was more of a double top. See? It was more of a double top. I don't like this. I wanted it to give us a break of structure. Something like this. Something like this. Something like that. That's what I wanted to see. Something like this. That's what I wanted to see. But this one has given us a double top. I don't like double top because double top, then this market could give us a change of character on the downside. If it closes below this area on the downside, then we are going to see the market move to the downside. So what do? We watch. Just watch. Just watch. Okay. Volatility 101S. Is it ready, Highness? 101S. Volatility 101S is giving us selling vibes. It is giving us some very nice selling vibes, guys. It is giving us some very nice selling vibes. Volatility 1S is giving us some very nice selling vibes. Only risk what you're willing to lose. Guys, remember this. Remember this, guys. Remember this, ladies and gentlemen. I want you to remember this. I am showing or giving out so many assets. I'm looking at so many assets because we have different types of traders here. If I'm looking at an asset that you personally don't trade, please do not trade. If I give an entry here for an asset that you don't trade, don't. You can't be trading everything. Okay, just stick to what you normally trade. Right? Just stick to what you normally trade, guys. Step index 200. Wait for it. Wait for it. Okay, about. Can you look at XAUSD? Yes, I'm gonna do that right now. Wait for it. Volatility. You see that candle that is running right now? If that candle closes bullish, go in for buys with the stop loss at 10, 2, or 5. If that candle that is running right now closes bullish, and we still have 5 minutes to the close of that candle, if it closes bullish, go in for buys with a stop loss at 10, 2, or 5. This is crash 200. No, not crash. Step index 200, guys. Step index 200. Gold, wait for it. Gold is doing nothing. Gold is doing nothing. Just wait for it. It's not doing anything. It's just there, sitting, relaxing, having fun, probably taking some juice. Not doing anything. Just leave it alone. Let sleeping dogs lie. Gold is not doing anything. Crash 500. Thank you for the follow, guys. Let's stop on the screen. Let's stop on the screen. Let's go. We are at 13K. God bless you guys. Crash 500. Crash 500. Crash 500 is getting ready for buys. Crash 500 is getting ready for buys, guys. It is getting ready for buys. The only thing that we are looking to see is a close above this zone. A close above this zone with a bullish candle. We are going to go in for a buy, and we are also waiting for this zone here to confirm the buys. So as you can see, this market sold massively, and now we are looking to start buying. So once we get a close above that area, we are going to go in for buys. We should be expecting to see something like this. Something like that. So let's wait for it. It's getting ready for a buy, but let's wait for it, guys. Are we done with all TPs on Euro USD? Yes. TP2 has been hit on Euro USD. Let's go. Oh my God. That was a good one. TP2 has been hit, and then the last TP is here. It's at 1.1422. 1.1422. USD JPY. So TP1 and 2 is done. Let me just mark this one. TP1 and TP1 and 2 is done. USD JPY. USD JPY. We said we are waiting for it to give us magical dimes. We said we are waiting for it to give us an entry because right now it has overbought, so that one is not doing anything. US30, look at US30, guys. Are you seeing what US30 is doing? We went in aggressively, we took one entry aggressively, and then we had, I told you to go in aggressively with one, and then the other one is a pending order with your stop loss intact, and we have just tapped into that wave. We are looking to see if the market is going to start pushing up now, guys. Remember, you are only risking what you're willing to lose. Trading is very, very risky. Again, don't trade everything. Don't trade everything, guys. Just trade what you normally trade. USD card is almost ready. Okay, let's look at it. USD card is almost ready. Yes, USD is getting ready. It's not ready, but it's getting ready. Let's wait for it. Once we get a confirmation here for a sell, we go all the way, all the way. Guys, Cash 500 is also getting ready for a buy. You've learned something. I hope you have learned something, ladies and gentlemen. Boom 1000. What is happening on Boom 1000? Guys, confirm US30 and Nasdaq goes to the same direction. Okay, looking at it right now. US30. US30 is still playing around. See? US30 is still playing around. But I took an entry here, an aggressive entry for a buy. Weh, makosa, ala, unaona? Ah, I think I need a vacation, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my God, my book is falling. Oh my God, this is awesome. Let's go! Ladies and gentlemen, this is going up. So the entry that I took seems like it's going to play out, ladies and gentlemen. If you took the entry with me, let's hold. Let's hold. NAS 100. NAS 100. Oh, NAS 100 is okay. With NAS 100, we say we're waiting for it to come back here, and then we go in for a buy. We go in here and then we wait for it here, and then we go in for a buy. That's what we're waiting to see on NAS 100. Euro NZD, Euro NZD, Euro NZD, Euro NZD is Euro NZD is doing nothing. Let me tell you what happened on Euro USD. Was it on which day was this? We took an entry for a buy and it was a long entry. Was it a daily? Yes, we took an entry a daily. It was a daily. We took an entry for a buy on Friday on this one, and it was a swing. You remember? We took an entry for a buy on this one. That was on Friday, and it's in profits right now. Yeah, it's in profits right now. But it was a swing. If you are running in losses, join my Telegram group for recovery. Go away, cut. We don't want to join your Telegram group. You think we are playing around here? Makosha. This guys, should we go and visit him? He's saying if you're running a losses, go away. Do you want us to come and visit you? You want us to come and visit you? Do you know where we are coming from? Do you know who we are? Are you we? Are we you? Are we we? Yes, we're still having Euro ZD, guys. This was on Friday. This was from Friday. We're still holding. We're still holding. We're still holding. Volatility 50 index. 50 index. Is you we? Oh my God. You. Are you? Okay, so this is volatility 50 index. We have a buy. But then the only problem that I'm seeing here is this. Let me tell you why. The problem is this. We have this move up That's the reason why. So, so we have to be patient with this. Just wait for it. If it turns around, starts looking up, then we can go in for a buy. If it doesn't, please wait. Just wait for it. You see, even 15 minutes time frame is telling us to wait here. So let's just wait. Macro time frame again in 15. No. Sorry, guys. Sorry. That was on the daily. Oh my God. It was on the daily time frame. Even though it was on the daily, but we are still waiting on the 15 minutes time frame. It is telling us to wait here. So let's just be patient and wait for it. We got a signal here for a buy, exit TP1, 2, and 3, and now it is retracing. So let's wait for it to give us something to work with. This is 15 minutes time frame. Let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. Let's wait for it. Okay. The last is for this. Yeah. Okay, guys. Let's see. What do we have here on gold? Gold is still just playing around. Does not giving us anything to work with. Step index. Let's see if we have something to work with. Step index 200. This is step index. It has given us an entry for a sell. We have an entry for a sell on step index. We have an entry for a sell on step index. And I want you to be very keen with this one. I want you to be very keen with this one. Only this is what you're willing to do. The reason why I'm telling you to be very keen with it is because of this. See this? See this? This could go either way. It could go either way. So be very careful with it, guys. It could go either way. That's why the 15-minute time frame is actually telling us to sell. You have a sell on the 5-minute time frame, but it's all mixed up. I don't like this. So you have to be very keen with this one. If you're going to go in, then go in with a small risk, with a minimum risk. That is for those who are trading step index, guys. Step index. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, did you take the entry on step index? Did you take the entry on step index? Did you take the entry on step index? I told you if this candle closes bullish, you go in for a buy. Her Highness Mary, Her Highness, please tell me you took that entry and we are about to end the live. In, come on, let's go. Boom, 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 boom. God bless you. Let's go. That's a good one. Let's go. Let's go. Guys, who else is in? Who else is in? Who else is in, guys? Who else is in on step index? Step index 200. Who else is in? Who else is in? Who else is in? Let's go. We're about to end the live, guys. We're about to end the live. Me. Kate Curtis. No, sorry. So the only thing we're waiting to see right now is a close above this area. Once we get a close above this zone, then it's gone. Imeenda hiyo. Yaani hiyo imeenda. Ikicross hapo, makosa. Liz Kelly, I knew you will never. Where was that? US30. Somebody is asking about US30. Let's see if it's ready. US30. The only thing we are waiting to see on US30 is a bullish engulfing candlestick. If we get a bullish candle there, let's go in. Let's go in. If we get a bullish candle close above, let's go in. What am I talking about? If that current candle still has 7 minutes, if it closes bullish, let's go in. Same applies to no. With the NAS 100, please wait for it. Wait for it. It's not ready. Wait for it to get somewhere here and then it push up with it. But US30 is getting very much ready, guys. Getting very much ready. If you get a bullish and graphic candlestick, this one is going to be awesome. Let's go. Anyone else? Guys, God bless you. Have a blessed Monday. For those who are still interested in the challenge, we are holding a massive challenge, guys. Send me a message on my WhatsApp. Get my number on bio. For those who are interested in this system, ladies and gentlemen, is an AI scanner. It scans the market for you. It gives you entry, stop loss, take profit 1, 2, and 3, and also tells you when the market is ready and when the market is not ready. If you're interested in this scanner, please go ahead and get my number on my bio. Send me a message on my WhatsApp starting with the word scanner in capital letters. And if you're interested in classes, our intake is coming up in July. 1st of July is our first intake. those who want to learn how to trade from beginner to pro. If you're interested in that, send me a message on my WhatsApp. We're starting with the word classes in capital letters. What else? What else? God bless you, ladies and gentlemen. We have won massively today with Euro USD, and it is still. Oh my God, what happened? Look at that. After TP2 was hit, the market did this. But of course, we don't give up because we have already made money from it. You have to do whatever you want to do. We have already made money. Buy limit on 400. Step index 400. Let's see if it is ready, guys. What? Step buy limit. We do have a buy limit on. Oh, okay, okay. It was on the higher time frame, on the 4-hour time frame. Yes. Yeah, this one is coming down. It's coming down. It's coming to our entry. This is a long thread, guys. Don't forget, it's a long thread. God bless you. Let's do this again tomorrow at 10 a.m. Kenyan time. Let's do this again tomorrow, guys. Trust 500 is getting ready for buys. I told you to get ready for buys on Trust 100, Trust 500. Even if it happens and I'm not here or we are not here, please go in for buys. Boom 1000 is selling massively. Boom 1000 is selling massively. But remember, it's going to drop and then boom and then continue to the downside. That is what I know. Boom 1000 is selling massively, guys. Selling massively. Selling massively. Okay, what happened? Yes. Bye bye. See you on the next one. If you haven't followed me, please follow me because we do this every Monday to Friday. Follow me so that you don't miss out any of these massive sessions. Goodbye. Goodbye. My cousins from YouTube, bye bye. Oh, YouTube much better than TikTok. Yes, yes. YouTube is much better. This is clear. Yes. Tell people they must come here. Yes. I told you guys. Analysis on YouTube is so clear, so nice. It's a full view. Good morning. How is yesterday, PY? We've looked at that, bro. Thank you so much. Guys on YouTube, bye bye. See you on the next one. Bye, guys. Bye, guys. You are free to leave at will. Of course, we have to do this. Like, we can't end the live without this. We can't end the live without this, guys. It's a minute behind. What is a minute behind? See you at 4 p.m., guys. What is a minute behind? YouTube. Ah, it's fine. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Anything. It is good to see you. How are you, Mama? Hi, Tony. Whee! See you guys later. God bless you. Take care of yourselves. After forex, the first if you're not having fun in what you're doing, you're not doing it right. Let's go. Faster. I should come see you guys. I should come say hi. Okay. The experiment guys say, okay, just follow this. Yeah, we are doing this every day, Monday to Friday at 10 a.m. Kenyan time. That's what we normally do. Edit. Please don't forget. Okay. Bye guys. See you on the next one. This is the next month, guys. Okay, guys. Edit. Let it Tony hapa. Let it Tony huku. Oh my god. Wait, do you follow me? Wait.